professional introduction for the Master English channel. Welcome to Master English, your go-to channel for learning English from zero to fluency using real-life stories and an effective educational strategy endorsed by leading language experts. Listen, watch, and speak. Our goal is to provide you with an easy and enjoyable learning experience that helps you master the English language naturally and effortlessly. This proven method involves 3 key steps. First, listen to the story 3 times to grasp the general meaning and pronunciation. Next, listen again while reading the text to connect spoken and written words. After that, learn the new vocabulary, expressions, and phrases, ensuring you understand their meanings and can apply them in daily life. Finally, read the story aloud and repeat it at spaced intervals to reinforce your learning. What makes this approach unique is that all stories are derived from real-life situations, making it easier for learners to remember vocabulary and apply it naturally. With consistent repetition and daily listening, focusing on one story for an entire week, you'll quickly notice significant improvements in your pronunciation, sentence structure, and the correct application of grammar rules without memorizing them separately. Start your journey to fluency today with Master English, and rest assured that by following this simple and enjoyable method, you will achieve remarkable results.